Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Huawei Band 8 to your Huawei phone. First, download the Huawei Health app from your phone's App Store or the Huawei App Gallery. Make sure your Huawei phone's Bluetooth is turned on. It's also a good idea to charge your Huawei Band 8 to at least 20% before you begin the connection process. This ensures a smooth and uninterrupted setup. Let's get started with the app installation. Now that you have the app, open Huawei Health and navigate to the Devices section. Tap on Add Device and then select Smart Bands from the list. You'll then choose Huawei Band 8. Your phone will search for the band. Once found, a pairing request will appear on both your phone and the band. Simply confirm this request on both devices to complete the connection. This usually takes just a few moments. If you encounter any issues during pairing, don't worry. First, try restarting both your Huawei phone and your Huawei Band 8. Also, double-check that the Huawei Health app has all the necessary permissions enabled in your phone settings. Keep your phone and band very close, ideally within 1 meter, during the entire pairing process. Finally, ensure your Huawei Health app is updated to its latest version for the best compatibility. These steps resolve most common problems. Congratulations, your Huawei Band 8 is now connected. You can now explore the Huawei Health app to view detailed fitness tracking, health data, and sleep analysis. Personalize your experience by customizing watch faces and managing notification settings directly from the app. Remember to regularly check for and install firmware updates for your band to enjoy new features and improved performance. Enjoy your connected health journey with your Huawei Band 8.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.